Quiet on set.
Currie Enterprises is a 60-year-old manufacturing company that specializes in drivetrain components. I think that competitive edge is what's going to lead us into greater opportunities, is that I feel that I won't give up before anybody else. I'll keep digging and dig as deep as I need to.
The Curries are hands-on. They have played every role of Currie, from shipping to packaging to manufacturing to assembling. They actually are there every day doing those jobs as well, right? And to me, that is everything.
I'm Casey Currie.
I'm John Henson.
And I am
PRI.